See you on the gram, but you look better in person. Working, twerking, throw it and reverse it. Tell me if you nervous, moving like you certain. Curving, slurping, skirting like I'm swerving. Earn it, shorty you deserve it.
What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE. Welcome back to my channel. And today's video is going to be a hair review, of course. And y'all, I promise soon I will be dropping bangers. Like I said, I'm just getting all these videos out. And like I said again, I will not be promoting color hair, natural color hair at this time. Only will be doing colorful hair and 613 hair. Because you guys know it's summertime, it's hot. So time to have fun with some colors. Another thing before we get into the video, I hope you guys are feeling my new intro. I needed something new. Next will be a new outro soon. But yeah. So clearly this box was not open yet. Did you guys just see my address? So this hair is Luvme hair, virgin hair, and it's www.luvme.com. Thumbnail real quick. Let's take a thumbnail. Oh, thumbnail real quick. Okay, now let's open the box. Now, I don't remember what I asked for, but okay. Whoa, hold on. This must be a mistake. Hold on. This has to be a mistake because, yeah, this is what I see when you open a box, right? This is what I see when I open a box. But what is this wire? What is this wire, Luvme? Okay, you get the hair. Hold on. Bump the hair right now. Yo, Luvme. Oh, yo, I'm in disbelief. Like, I just can't believe this right now. Yo, they just blessed me with a whole flat iron, y'all. And I wanted to get a new flat iron because I feel like my flat iron doesn't get hair as straight as it used to. My Conair Infinity Pro. I feel like, I don't know. I feel like it just doesn't get hot enough for me, or it doesn't get the hair straight like it used to from jump. But y'all, they gave me a whole flat iron. What? And it goes up to 230 power on. I'm about to try it. Push the button, power on. Yeah, I'm about to try this, y'all. They gave me a whole flat iron. I'm hyped. I didn't even worry about the hair yet. Okay, I'm about to, hold on, let me plug in this flat iron. I hope this flat iron is bomb. I hope it's good. Cause y'all don't understand. I really needed, yo, this video is about the hair and I'm making it about the flat iron. But yo, I can't believe this company just gave me a flat iron. Maybe I got the wrong package because I don't know. Oh my God. Luvme. Y'all love me. Luvme really loves me. You get it? Okay. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm about to go to the hair right now. I just want to plug up this flat iron and see if it works. No. See if it get hot enough. I'm gonna have to unplug my charger real quick because my phone is gonna die. Let's go back to the hair. Okay, so you open the box, you get my flat iron. You get 2 wig caps, which always come in handy, y'all. I run through these like crazy. I have clients literally every day now. So then you get a bag. And in this bag, yo, Luvme loves me. They gave me mad stuff, y'all. They give you a comb, hair wax. Oh my God, I always wanted to try hair wax. I see a lot of people use it, but I was confused because I feel like it would make the hair oily or not, but I'm about to try this on my hair now. They give me 2 clips, tweezers. Nah, Luvme. They give me tweezers, 2 clips, a band, and pins in a bag. Y'all, Luvme just gave me a whole bunch of stuff. I feel like it's Christmas. Oh my, I'm cheating so hard. My cheeks hurt. Yo, I'm definitely keeping this. Yo, tweezers, you always need. I hope it was still recording. It just told me my phone was dying, but I hope that was still recording. That would get me to if it wasn't. But you can never go wrong with tweezers, y'all. I always need tweezers. Always need clips and always need combs. But let's try out this wax stick. Yo, I love this company. Yeah, this company got me sold. They know what they did. Yo, that is amazing. I'm so happy. I'm grateful. Off rip, I'm loving everything. Hopefully, I still don't know what type of hair I asked for. So, okay, where do I have flyaways at? Do you guys see any flyaways? Let me see. I'm just about to start using this. Oh, okay. I see how y'all rocking. Okay, definitely gonna start using this, and it smells good. Okay, so now let's get into the hair, y'all. Let's get into the hair. Let's get into the hair. First of all, let's get into this baggie. I love the baggies, and we're gonna go ahead and take this wig out. And what length is this? I'm not sure. I don't remember. I don't remember what length this is. I think it's 18 because I see something. I see an 18 sticker on the box. And so I take my wig out. And this is body wave, of course. This wave looks so pretty and the hair is so soft. Oh my god. It has no smell, y'all, because y'all always asking if it has a smell. It has no smell. Ooh, plucked to perfection. Oh my god. Do you guys see that plucking? Love me. Where have y'all been all my life? Y'all. Y'all. Bro. This is a full lace wig. This is a full lace wig. You guys know I've been fiending to get my hands on a full lace wig, y'all. And I finally got it. I finally got me a full lace wig. Oh my god. Look. Are you guys happy for me? I have a full lace. Yeah, I have a full lace. I have a full lace wig. Yo, I'm in disbelief right now. Oh my god. Hold on. Let me part this because this is too good to be true. Let me see if this is really a full lace wig. Hold on. Wow. Yeah. I have a full lace wig. This is really a full lace wig. Wow. Wow. Yeah, I have a full lace wig. Yo, I have a full lace wig, y'all. Love me. What have y'all been all my life? I cannot wait to install this hair. And the plucking is so A1. Hold on, I gotta try out this plucking. This plucking is so A1. So A1. Look at this plucking. I won't need to do much. And I will be doing a video on how to pluck a full lace wig because I always looked for videos like that before I even got a full lace wig, and I could never come across nobody video who actually shows you how to pluck all around. Like, all they do is pluck the front. Even when it comes to 360 frontals, just plucking the 360 frontal, period. I never see any videos that actually show you how to pluck a 360 frontal all around. I only see the front getting plucked. I'm sorry, I had to think. I started thinking about something else. I only see the front getting plucked, and I'm just like, what about the back? Like, I see pictures and videos on Instagram, and girls always show like the full lace or 360, and the back would look so natural. And I could never come across videos on YouTube like that. So ARIE be here to save the day, and I'm gonna show you guys how. Well, we're both gonna do it together. We're all gonna do this together. How to pluck a full lace and how to pluck a 360. But y'all, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I got me a full lace wig. I'm not coloring this hair. This hair is gonna stay black because this is my first full lace, so it has to stay black. I'm so excited. Yeah, like I said, this hair is bomb. It's soft. It's mad soft. Oh my god. And I think this is 18. This has to be 18. Oh my god. Oh my god. Love me. Y'all love me. Y'all love me. Okay, so let me try. Ooh, that joint got hot. That joint is mad hot. So let's try to test out their flat iron. Do you guys see a difference? I definitely do. I definitely see a difference. Okay, let me pluck it. I said let me pluck it some more. Okay. Off rip, this is a nice flat iron. This is a nice flat iron. Look at this side. I don't know, maybe it's not a big difference, but I see the flatness. This side is not as flat as this side. So let me pluck. I keep saying pluck. Let me fly in this side and show y'all how flat it gets. I like this flat iron. I love this lion. I love my full lace. I love all the goodies I got. And yeah. Oh yeah. Let me see something real quick. I'm trying to curl it. Just so I could go like this. Oh my God. Get at me. Get at love me. Oh. I should have did that from jump. Oh my God. Yo, Love Me got me sold. Oh boy. They gave me a fly iron. They gave me a full lace, which is my dream wig that I've always wanted. And yeah. This fly iron is clearly works. It clearly works. Just like so. Oh, I'm feeling myself, y'all. Love Me gave me a fly. I'm feeling myself. Nah, but yo, this company really came through. They really blessed me with a lot. But y'all, that is the end of this video. Oh, the hair details will be down below. Check out www.loveme.com. But yes, y'all check them out. I can't get this smile off my face. Like, I'm so happy. But on the road to 36K, man, let's get it. Let's go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family. And of course, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
You are packing the air, this gas or what? He'll still be alive right now if you niggas ain't gas him up. Give my shorty stimulus and guns, I tell them slap for nothing.